5906, 3 miles from Herney. Fly heading 110, maintain 2,200 until established. Cleared for the ILS runway 7 approach. Contact the tower now on 118.7. Good day.
The Bombay Flying Club, established in 1928, is India's premier aviation institute approved by the Director General of Civil Aviation, Government of India. The institute imparts commercial pilots ground training, flying training and aircraft maintenance engineering. The Bombay Flying Club encompasses following approved courses of Director General of Civil Aviation: Private and Commercial Pilots Training, Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Training, General Aircraft Maintenance Engineering courses for heavy aircrafts and jet engines, light aircraft and piston engines, and rotary wing aircraft, that is helicopters, avionics engineering, that is electrical system, instrument systems and radio navigation. Engine overall shop approved for all light piston engines. Instrument overall shop for all light medium aircrafts. Aircraft maintenance services. Late Shri J.R.D. Tata, the father of civil aviation in India, was the first to obtain the A pilot's license number 1 in February of 1929 from the Bombay Flying Club. Commercial Pilot Ground Training. The Bombay Flying Club has an air-conditioned library and all air-conditioned classrooms with modern teaching facilities including audio-visuals. Our instructors, who are highly qualified, experienced and committed professionals, mostly ex-airlines and ex-Air Force employees. As part of practical training, we take our trainee pilots on field trips to air traffic control services to familiarize them with the facilities available to pilots. Apart from trips to hangars located in our premises, pilots are also shown actual aircraft in our hangar apart from theory classes. The ground training is conducted in our premises at Juhu Aerodrome in Mumbai. We have trained pilots and engineers who are now working in most of the domestic and international airlines such as Indian Airlines, Air India, Jet Light, Jet Airways, Kingfisher, Singapore Airlines, etc., as well as thousands of private pilots. Commercial Pilot Flying Training. Maharashtra Airport Development Company of our state government has allotted Dhule Airport near Nasik for exclusive use of the Bombay Flying Club to train our pilot students for flying. We have all facilities of maintenance and training over here. The weather at Dhule is very conducive to flying activities all round the year, even during the monsoons. The runway is safe, 4,600 feet long, 150 feet wide, with a large hangar for night parking. The base is fully equipped with clubhouse, resting facilities, satellite TV and cafeteria. This facilitates unhampered training for our trainee pilots. Hostel facility is available just 4 kilometers away from the airfield in town. Dhule being a small city, the boarding and lodging facilities are reasonably cheap. Our Tata minibus commutes between the airfield and hostel to facilitate transportation. Dhule Airport is about 7 to 8 hours by bus or train from Mumbai. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. The Bombay Flying Club is a government-recognized institute in Western India imparting aircraft maintenance engineering courses in mechanical and avionics streams. The entire training is approved by the Director General of Civil Aviation, Government of India. The 3 years of consolidated training program of the highest skill and professionalism includes both theoretical and practical training of aircraft maintenance. The practical training consists of line and major maintenance of aircrafts and its accessories. Our 3 years training program prepares and enables students to progressively appear in the paper 1, 2 and 3 of the DGCA examinations and acquire BAMEL license, that is Basic Aircraft Maintenance Engineer's license. An aircraft can be released for flying only after being certified by a suitably qualified aircraft maintenance engineer. The training course enables individuals to obtain license in airframe, that is category A, and engines, that is category C stream for both heavy and light aircraft, as well as license in avionics streams. We are the DGCA approved institute to give on-the-job training on our heavy Learjet 24 for 6 months in our hangars. We send our students to most of the airlines and private operators for the job training. We also have our own Learjet heavy aircraft in fully functional condition for in-house on-the-job training to fully train our large number of engineering students. Our own helicopter Robinson R-22 is also used to train our engineering students of rotary wing section. We provide our students free airport shuttle from airport gate to our institute. Institute also provides free 2 pairs of uniform every year. Complimentary engineering guidance materials is also provided to all students. Eligibility criteria for AME: minimum qualification of 10+2 with 50% aggregate in physics and mathematics, or a diploma certificate in either mechanical, electrical or electronics engineering. No physical disability certificate from a doctor who should be at least an ABBS, and color vision certificate from an approved eye hospital. Avionics Maintenance Engineering. We are the first to start Avionics Engineering Training Institute in South Asia. Bombay Flying Club Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Training Institute is approved by DGCA to train students in light aircraft, heavy aircraft, piston engine, jet engines, turbine engines and instruments, electricals and radios. We have aircraft maintenance workshop and Cessna authorized service station. The Bombay Flying Club has fully equipped overall facility for the following: maintenance of all single engine aircraft, all piston engines, complete overall and top overall, all instruments fitted on light aircraft and some conventional instruments fitted on medium size aircrafts, conventional instruments for workshop, example torque wrenches, tension meter and pressure type gauges, magnetic particle inspection of all ferrous parts of aircraft engines. We thank you for your kind attention and please feel free to ask questions. Also visit our facilities in the premises.